welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying the Modelones acrylic nail tips kit. I'm so excited to try this. It's unlike anything I usually do. As you all know, I normally do polygel, but today we're trying something different. So when you first open up the kit, this is what you see. You first get the instructions. Then you get a hand file. Then you get a nail lamp, which is this tiny mini nail lamp for one finger, and the cord for it. And then you also get a 6-in-1 nail glue for nail tips. Oh, 6-in-1. 6-in-1 nail glue acts as nail glue, base coat, nail strengthener, top coat, blooming gel, extension gel. Oh wow. And then we have some chrome powder, kind of orangey brown, but not sure how it would look when you actually use it. And then we have some nail tip guides. Okay, I'm not sure what this shape is, but French tip, V French tip, and then some more French tips. You get 5 different styles of nail tips. We have these like tapered square or coffin, I'm not really sure. Next we have some short tapered square. Then you have some short square ones, some long stiletto nail tips, and then you have some short almond nail tips. So for this nail set design, I'm going to be using my nail stamper, and I'm also going to be using some gel polishes. So here's how the nail lamp looks. It's just this really tiny nail lamp, and I plugged it in, and you just turn it on with this button right here. Guess you just turn it on and then put on your nail and then slide your nail in. So here are how my natural nails are looking. They just have some leftover glitters from one of my last nail sets. So let's just fix this. We're gonna start off by pushing back the cuticles. Next, I'm gonna be taking my nail clippers and just cutting down my nails. Okay, now I'm gonna smooth out my nails with my hand file. Okay, now I'm gonna take my sanding band and I'm just going to remove all of this like excess leftover glitter from my last nail set. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my cuticle scissors and trim off this excess dead skin from around my cuticles. And now I'm just gonna apply my peel off base coat. I just add a little bit of cuticle oil to my nails. And then I just take some top coat and I apply a layer of top coat over that cuticle oil. So I'm going to be using these long tapered square nail tips. Okay, so I'm just gonna size out the nail tips to fit my nail. This is a nice sizing system because they're all laid out right here. And when you're sizing out your nails, you just wanna make sure that it fits from the side of your nail to the side of your nail. Okay, so I sized out all the nail tips. This ring fingernail is just a little bit too big, so I'm just gonna file it to make it fit my nail a little better. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this 6-in-1 and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the inside of the nail tip. And then I'm just gonna stick it on my nail. Okay, and I'm just gonna let it cure under there for a little bit. Okay, and here's how it turned out. A really easy nail extension. And then I'm gonna make sure to cure this in my full nail lamp for a good 30 seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing on the next nail. So I had my sister help me sometimes because it was hard to get my nail under that nail lamp at the angle that my hands were at. So I had her like cure my nail with that UV flashlight. But basically what you want to do to glue on these nails is make sure you're putting enough glue near the cuticle area of the nail tip. That way when you press the nail onto your nail, the glue will kind of run up the nail and not squish out near the cuticle area. I hope that makes sense. You just got to make sure that you're not putting too much glue and not too little glue. You just kind of have to guess. It takes a little bit of practice. bit hard to do, so I kind of accidentally didn't get much glue around the sides here. Okay, so all the tips are glued on. That took me, what, 5 minutes? So now I'm just gonna full cure these in my nail lamp. Okay, so here are how the nails look. Now I'm just going to reshape them a little bit. Okay, now I'm just gonna remove the shine from the nails. And I'm also kind of gonna file around the cuticle area. Okay, now I'm gonna be using this drill bit. I'm just gonna go around the cuticle area with this, and this is also gonna help with like removing some of these scratches on the nails. Okay, now I'm just gonna take a lint-free wipe and I'm just going to wipe off all that dust from the nails. So for these nails, I'm going to be using that viral TikTok French tip nail hack. So I just got my stamper here and I hope this works. Okay, so for this stamper, it like came out of this, you know, like where it's holding. So I kind of can't really, I don't know, I'm a little nervous. See, like I'm already ruining it. I'm just going to be taking this gel polish, and this is a pretty good nude color, I think. So I'm just gonna paint a layer of this on my nails. And I'm just gonna go in with another layer of this gel polish. Okay, so let's just try this. I'm just gonna wipe off this stamper because it's pretty dusty. You know, it just dust sticks to it so easily. Okay, and now I'm going to take this brown gel polish. Just going to paint it on here. I hope this works. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but ooh, wait, wait a minute. Okay, so it's actually really nice. I might have to do some touching up, but it's not deep enough. Like I want the French tip to be lower. Okay, so I'm just gonna wipe this off and try again. Okay, so I understand I understand how to do it now. I have a few errors that I need to fix though. So first of all, you don't want to put on too much gel polish or else the nail will just be way too thick. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a nice thin layer. Then I'm going to kind of push my nail in at this angle. Take some practice. This is kind of hard. Okay, so it's not as perfect as I want it, so I'm just gonna keep doing it until I get it. Okay, so I think that looks really good. So I'm just gonna cure this. It actually really works. That looks really good. We're just gonna do the same thing on the next nail, but we're gonna change the color of the French tip. So I'm just gonna paint this nail nude. Okay, so actually I'm just gonna paint all the nails this nude color and then we'll go into the French tip. This nail tip kit was really easy. To put on these full cover tips only took me 5 minutes. So yeah, this nail set did not take me long at all. Obviously the nail design took me a little bit of time, but I never used this stamping French tip hack before. It took me a couple of tries and it was fun to do. That French tip stamping was just, it was really satisfying. Okay, so on to the next color. I'm going to be mixing this like kind of light brown with the dark brown, and then I just mix those together to get a lighter brown color because we're going to be doing, it's kind of like an ombre but not on the same nail. So like the pointer finger is the darkest nail and the pinky is the lightest nail, so each nail gets lighter. I kept seeing this design all over Instagram and I just really wanted to do it because it was just so cute. And because these nails are, you know, shorter than my normal nails that I do, I thought it was the perfect time to use this stamping French tip hack because I'm like, my nails are too long to do that hack for sure, but this length was pretty perfect. Oh Lord, I definitely broke this. This poor stamper. as you can see, I definitely punctured some holes in this stamper. So if your nails are about this long and kind of sharp at the end, like, you know, kind of sharp right here, you're definitely gonna puncture some holes into your stamper, so beware. Okay, now I'm just gonna finish off this set with some top coat. So yeah, this nail set was very simple and very fun to do and satisfying. I definitely recommend you guys to try this TikTok French tip nail hack. It is really good. Just be careful with your stamper because I definitely ruined mine, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. Okay, now we're just gonna add some cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. I think this nail set is so cute. I think this nail set is just perfect for the fall time, and it was so easy to do. If you guys are interested in this Modelones acrylic nail tip kit, I highly recommend it. I think it is so good. If you're just trying to do a quick nail set, like applying these nails took me 5 minutes. Like if you just painted these nails one color, you would be done in like 20 minutes tops. So I definitely love this Modelones kit. I think it is so good and definitely worth it. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed a shorter nail set than usual, but that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!